Everybody, I'm back. I messed up the game because these bulldozers, they're kind messed up. They're having sex and they're destroying stuff. Talk about rough sex, huh? Yeah, get it? Rough sex, huh? I guess this one's on top. Yeah, okay. Let's get to the purpose of the video now, and let's see which one am I in. Let's remove it. Okay. Okay, yeah, it works. Can I on? Oh, no. Okay, yeah, let's just snap this. Oh, okay. Oh, no. For God's sakes. No. Really? Never mind. Okay, I'm in a tree, aren't I? Yep. So, yeah, that was a bulldozer in a tree. Where is it again? Bulldozer. So this is going to be the theme of this one. I'm using heavy trucks, as you can see. Back to JLB Bulldozer here. And boom, boom. Should be able to plow through this thing. Or not, because it's a tree. Go. Is there like... Really? Nothing? Snap. Okay, there we go. That should be working now. Or, really... What the heck is happening? I cannot use this for some reason. It just doesn't want me to use this car. It's like, hey, you want to make a video on YouTube? Okay. But you can't use the... It's like, really? Fuck you. Is there like keyboard controls? Right, T. No? Okay. That's kind of depressing. You can't use the bucket. That would have been really cool. If you could use the bucket and stuff. And be like, pick up cars and stuff. Oh no, the mud. I always forget about that mud. And there's just... I need to download a map. Okay, if any of you guys watching this video right now, even that one person, you know how to download a map, please help me, because I cannot find anywhere to like show me how to do it. Like, I know how to install cars. I've tried that the same way with the map, but it doesn't work. It gets all messed up and goes to some random screen. So, if you do know how to, please leave a comment with it. That'd be very helpful, because this map is starting to get boring after like 8 freaking hours. Actually, not 8 hours. It's probably at least, I'd say, about 20 hours of playing this one map. Okay, I'm getting bored of this car, or this bulldozer. Let's see. UAZ. No. Wait, I forget, can I drive this? Move this. Oh shoot. I'm back here. Oh, I can't. I forgot. That stinks. I thought I could drive that. That's depressing. Oh yeah, I downloaded this too, guys. It's a sandrail. Oh, it was a game. We don't crash game. Oh, it's crashing. Oh, motherfucking type of shit. No, it didn't. Okay, see that? It usually does that little blue circle thing. If you saw that, when it's gonna crash. Remove this. Really, I don't understand why it goes all the way. Whoa, this is trippy. Whoa, this is creepy. On. This thing's really fast. Well, I guess it is a sandrail, so they're meant to be fast. Post a comment if you own one of these, because I want one really badly. Like, think of how cool this would be. Well, if you own one, well, you already know how cool it is, but this thing just looks so badass. You'd be like, sup, I got a sandrail. You got one? Of course not, 'cause you ain't cool like me. That's basically how it would go. I will drive off. Oh yeah. Oh, punch it. Can we go faster without it on? Oh no. Drift. Oh yeah. Drift. You saw that drift, didn't you? Look at the like radiator. Do you guys notice that? It's like really messed up. I mean, like badly. It's like trippy. It's psychedelic, bro. It's not trippy. Oh, really? This thing has the same problems as the other ones? Snap. Oh yeah. Just like that Camaro. Yeah, the Camaro. I got stuck in the pole. I'm like, really? Really? Well, after like a couple tries, but I still got it stuck in the pole eventually. Like it was being special. Let's see if can I get this 1 second? 2. I feel like I could. Come on, go on first. What? Okay, I think we can do this. Okay, we're just gonna, back up. Shift. What key is it to look backwards? Or you just kind of like turn around. Okay, yeah. Look at the detail in this. Because most cars you don't have to do like the outside. This must have taken this guy forever, even though the wheels kind of don't touch, they just kind of float. I can let that one slide. They're just kind of like, no, no, don't feel like it. Snap. Oh no, I was too close. Oh my gosh. That bugs me. When you're just too close to something. Hey, the lights are in the freaking tires too. That's nice. Okay, we need one. How far do we need it for, do you think? First. Come on. There we go, first. First gear. I'm gonna stay about there. The poles are right there. So boom. Snap. Oh yeah, got it. In the pole. So we're floating in a pole. Yeah, I think I might just leave this one. Just for the heck of it, because it does look so cool. Yeah, it's actually floating. Yeah, okay. So, what other car do you think we should add here? I don't think I showed you this one yet. It's just a little dinky mobile. Whee! Can I drive under it? I'm gonna drive under it. Oh yeah, it's so. You should drift. Oh, drift. Fuck all you imports. I got a drifting like 8-wheeler. I don't know what it's called actually. Yeah, let's see. Can I just kind of go through here? No. Oh, it threw me out. No. Okay, I have to remove it now. That's depressing. Back to this truck. Vroom. Okay, if anybody here is watching that works for this company, please, hurry up the game, because this game is so much fun right now. This is still an only tech demo phase. It's not like even an alpha. It's just in demo. No. Perfect. You little wuss. Dun. This has no, barely any shocks. It hurts so much just going over anything. Wow. Ciao. Dun. Okay, let's see how fast we can get this thing. Oh, mud. Go, dig out of there, dig. Come on, you can do it. You didn't get raised to be a wimp. Okay, Oh, really? Really? I just turned four-wheel drive off, and yeah, that happened. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Come on, go. Go, 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 go. Drift. Drift. Okay, we're not gonna be able to get up this. Watch this, watch this. Really? Oh, we're stuck in the mud. Okay, look how much. Can I like? Look how much mud that is, and we're stuck. Yeah. All-wheel drive. And it's just like, yeah, nope. Okay. That's its life. It's just, I'm gonna call this from now on the Nope Mobile. Okay. This is the Nope Mobile. Oh yeah, then what was the other one? I don't remember the name of it. Post a comment if you remember the name of that. The Super Evo. Yeah. If you remember the name of this, post a comment if you remember this Super Evo's name. Okay. Oh yeah, the Land Crawler. I forgot about it. Yeah, if you remember it, I'll post a comment. Post a like and hit the comment button. What is happening? Doosh, doosh. Oh no, no, no. Dig, dig. Dig into it like I dug into your mother's pussy last night. The lights are like in the trunk of this one. Yep. Yellow. I didn't say YOLO, I said yellow. Yellow, 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 yellow. Yellow, 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 yeah, 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 yellow, 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 yellow. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, I think this is going to be a pretty short video, but I have to leave soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, hit that like button. I mean, just rape it. I mean, not literally, but yeah. But yeah, hit the like button a lot of times, and I will be doing these videos more often. Well, I'll attempt to. And I messed up the tire. Just a little bit. Wait, has it always been there? Sorry, I need to investigate this. Yeah, it's always been there. Wait, what if we did this and reloaded it? Reload. I bet you guys are like, huh, what? What's that? I guess it has always been there. Yeah, that looks special. It's like, don't judge me if I'm special. Yeah, but guys, remember, post a comment if you have any good cars or maps you want me to do, or if you know how to change the maps, that might help. And any cars you want me to drive around with, or any games possibly that you want me to try out either. So, yep. Till next time, guys. I'm an orange dude in a messed up Jeep, and you know,